rather Kagawad Dante. And the race is on. Formal entry, Go Army. And moving up by the rail is Special Best. It's formal entry by Sam Tulangs followed by Go Army. Da Vinci Gold Cougat Weather lang. Alongside is Jen's Joy and Special Best is running at the tail of the field. Formal entry by Alenkenhab. Go Army is on the outside. Da Vinci down on the inside. And Weather lang is running in forward by some 4 lengths alongside Jen's Joy Gold Cougat Special Best. Rounding the far turn, Formal entry by Alenkenhab. Go! Army is running on the outside. Da Vinci nearing the last 500 meters more to run. Formal entry. Go! Army is on the outside as they race the final corner. Go! Army, formal entry down on the inside is Weather lang. It's now Go! Army by Alenkenhab, formal entries running in second, and Weather lang, Jen's Joy. And nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker, Go! Army, the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra. Second formal entry, Weather lang, Jen's Joy.